Hello everyone, welcome to the Racing Gossip channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Did you know? The 2026 MotoGP season hasn't even started yet, but the rider market for 2027 is starting to pick up steam. With his contract expiring at the end of the season, the future of 93 with the Borgo Panigale factory is undoubtedly in the spotlight. The MotoGP rider market is always interesting to discuss, especially next season, when the championship will enter a new era with changes to the technical regulations. Fans may be wondering which riders will have their contracts renewed and which riders will move teams. One thing is for sure, MotoGP will face its wildest silly season yet. And contract talks with reigning world champion Marc Marquez have been a hot topic, even before preseason testing begins next month. Entering his third season with Ducati, and his second with the factory team, 93 has already touched on the topic of a contract for 2027. When asked about a team Framavora decision, he replied, "Nobody can promise the best bike, we do see. You have to follow your instincts and the best project for you." Some riders will close the deal before the first race, and it's true that I'm one of them. We have to see what's best for my professional and personal life. Speaking in a TV interview from the Ducati launch site Madonna di Campiglio on Monday, January 19, Marquez stated his intention to remain in the red jersey. "If you look at my career, if I'm in a team where I feel comfortable, fast, and everything is going well, I try not to move," he said. "Of course, my first option is to try to stay with Ducati, but one step at a time. It seems like every time, contracts are signed earlier and earlier, we're in talks, but I need to evaluate everything." With the exception of Johann Zarco, all riders on the grid this season have contracts that expire at the end of 2026. This, coupled with the new regulations in 2027, could mean some of the craziest changes ever to occur in the MotoGP rider market. When asked if he had full control over silly season, Marquez denied it. "The decision is in the hands of the different manufacturers, not the names. It's true that we're world champions, but every year is different," he stressed. "I'd like to consider the future more and wait a little longer, then decide our future mid-season, for example. We're in discussions, we're getting closer to some projects, and we need to decide, but it's true that manufacturers are trying to take one rider and build their own project. One thing is clear, wherever Marquez ends up, his contract will be for 2 years. If we decide to continue, it will be a 2-year contract," he concluded. Making opponents' hair stand on end, Marc Marquez affirms he is even more motivated to achieve success in MotoGP 2026. Marc Marquez also compared his current feelings to those a year ago, when he attended the Ducati motorcycle launch.